Now student, talking about product of electrolysis. Okay, as we have discussed for electrolysis, so here we have seen that electricity is passed into a solution of electrolyte using two electrode, and where it is connected to a battery. So positive terminal will be connected to anode, and negative terminal connected is called as cathode. Now for this we have also seen that the negative ions will move toward anode and positive ions will move toward cathode. Then now talking about the product of electrolysis. When we are talking about product of electrolysis, just suppose a criteria for product formation. If you will know this criteria, you will easily form any product. Okay, so the substance which possesses higher standard reduction potential is reduced first. Just remember this. Whatever substances, if it has higher standard reduction potential, it will be reduced first at cathode, and the substance which possesses lower standard reduction potential will oxidize at anode. You can understood this by seeing this example. Suppose this is the electrolysis of molten NaCl. Okay, for this at cathode the reaction will be Na plus electron, it gives Na, that is Na is gaining electron and converting into Na. This is what primary change. Okay, and here what basically is happening, reduction is taking place. But talking about anodic reaction, here what basically happen, Cl minus, it loses one electron and converts into Cl. This is the primary change. What here is happening, Cl minus is losing one electron, and by losing one electron it get oxidized. Okay, and as you will see that in the solution the Cl molecule will be there, Cl will be there. So Cl will combine. Suppose there are many Cl minus ion in the solution. If this is the electrolytic solution and here is the electrodes, let me firstly remove. Suppose this is the electrolytic solution and here are the electrode, they are connected to the battery. Then what will happen, basically yours, as we have seen that there will be Na plus ion, there will be Cl minus ion. Okay, then as Cl minus ion are many in number. Okay, so as they are oxidizing, that is they are going to anode, and we all know at anode oxidation take place. So basically what is happening, it is losing one electron, it converts into Cl. So just assume that as Cl minus there will be many Cl. Okay, they will combine to one another and form Cl2. So here Cl2 will take place. Okay, Cl2 will gather. So basically is the our reaction, that is secondary change will result in the formation of what, Cl2 molecule at anode. Okay, that is Cl2 gas at anode. So you can also write overall cell reaction as 2Na plus 2Cl minus, and by the means of electrolysis it will be converted into 2Na, that is the cathodic reaction, and Cl2, that is the anodic reaction. You can understood this by some more example. So we will discuss, solve some more questions related to this, that is what will happen if the electrolyte is aqueous NaCl, and what will happen if it is dilute H2SO4. There are so many questions related to this that we will solve in our next lecture. Okay, till that, until what you have to basically do is, the topics are what is electrolysis, what are electrochemical series, the application of electrochemical series, Nernst equation. So just try to practice more and more questions on these topic. Okay, so that you will be easily found off with these topics. And electrochemical series and its application is very much important. And also just recall what is the electrolytic cell and what is the galvanic cell and their representations. Okay, so till now this will be the homework for you for Sunday. Try to solve at least 5 to 10 questions, and just practice makes a man perfect, as you all know. So practicing, because this chapter is very important, it contains 5 marks. Okay, sometimes direct long question may be asked, sometimes short question may be asked, and each and every topic of this chapter is very important. Basically, the electrochemical series and its application, 1 or 2 marks question is regularly asking from that topic, or there may be Nernst equation and the relationship of it with when talking about electrode reaction, when talking about electrochemical reaction, when talking about relationship with Gibbs energy. So this is all about the chapter. There are some few topics left which we will discuss later, like the commercial cells and the very fond of topic which you know from 9 to 10th classes, that is corrosion. But here we will discuss about the reaction taking place in corrosion. Thank you, class.